keeps bringing more. I've had too many. This Virginia done me off already. I'm blamed for real. I might just say how I feel. I'm blamed for real. I might just say how I feel. Don't switch on me. I got big plans. We need to forward to the islands and get you gold, no spray tents. I need you to stop running back to your ex. He's a waste man. I wanna know how come we can never slash and stay friends. I'm blamed for real. I might just say.
So guys, how are you enjoying the boot camp so far? Pretty nice?
Good, yeah. Very good. Excellent.
10 out of 10.
Nice. We need to take more action today though. Like definitely. What up? I'm here and I'm actually going to Los Angeles tomorrow. So super excited. I'm actually packing right now. As you can see, I'm packing my luggage and I'm gonna be going to LA in a couple hours. I have a flight. I don't know if I'm gonna get much sleep, but let's see.
A few hours later.
All right, guys, we just arrived in Los Angeles with Raouf and Elias. We just arrived.
LAX, my boys.
Yeah, so yeah, we just met. Actually, our flight was landing at the same time almost, so we waited for each other. And now
I got stuck in the customs.
Yeah, you too. You got stuck in the
Because of
customs.
you, bro.
Not because of me. Yeah, so now we're waiting for another friend of ours. He's gonna pick us up, and we're gonna go straight to the hotel. I don't know if you guys can hear us. There's a lot of noise. Guess who's here? Selim. This is one of my oldest childhood friends as well, with Raouf and Elias. So he's picking us up because he lives here. How long have you lived here actually?
I've lived here 2.5 years now.
Okay, yeah, because I didn't even know you were living here before. I thought it was Miami.
No, LA.
Okay, dope. Well, thanks for picking us up. Nice car, and yeah.
Decent car.
And yeah, super pumped for LA first time, so it's gonna be dope. All right, guys, we just arrived at a diner restaurant. It's Selim, Raouf, Elias, and now we're just having steaks. We're super hungry, so we just got back from the airport, checked in, and now we're having dinner. And we'll see. Maybe we're gonna go out, but honestly, I haven't slept at all, so I don't know. But this guy is showing us some really cool places. He's been here for 2.5 years, so he knows all the cool spots. And he's going to show us around this weekend. All right, guys, we just arrived at the Dream Hotel in LA. So here's the room. Bathroom is really nice, very spacious. Everything's cool. This is the room. Nice bed. And then there's a nice terrace. And it's very central. It's next to a lot of clubs, a lot of bars, etc. You got a view on the bathroom from here. So it's perfect. Love it. What's good about this hotel is they have a really cool rooftop. So tomorrow we're going to a really nice rooftop party. You'll see later. But yeah, they have a really nice rooftop. They have really nice brunches. And it's next to a lot of clubs, a lot of places. So it's very central and very practical. So yesterday we arrived at around 8 at the hotel. Now we're at the hotel. We have a nice view. And yeah, I was fucking dead yesterday. Like I didn't sleep on the plane. I have trouble sleeping on the plane. There's so much noise and food coming and people serving us things and stuff. So it's really tough to sleep on the plane. So I didn't sleep. And so, yeah, I came here and I was cooked. I didn't have any energy to do anything. So we slept pretty early yesterday at around midnight, and now we're here. So now we're gonna wake up, grab a brunch, and we're gonna be meeting the clients, and I'm gonna be helping them with their goals, with their dating lives, etc. for the next 3 days. So I'm hosting a 3-day boot camp right now in LA. That's the main purpose of the trip. It's really the boot camp, and then after the boot camp, visiting, LA, Las Vegas, all of that. So I'm really looking forward. It's gonna be incredible. And yeah, I'll keep documenting the journey. So this is the view, guys. As you can see, really cool view. This is from the 9th floor in our hotel. And actually on the other side, over there, we can see the Hollywood sign, but we need to go up in the rooftop to see it. Yeah, and the weather is really nice. Like it's like 23 degrees, 25 degrees. So it's incredible. Super happy to be here. Because in Estonia, as you know, it's like rainy most of the time. It's cold. Now it's really cool. So super excited and excited to meet the clients too. Some of these clients are high value guys that have businesses that are working on themselves, and they just want to get a little better with dating, with business, with all of that. So I'm going to help them. I'm going to help them achieve their goals faster when it comes to dating, when it comes to business, and it's going to be incredible. So super excited to help them as well. This guy.
Almost heard you saying you were finally free. What was always missing for you, babe? You found it in me. But you can't get to heaven. You have all the ground. Everybody knows.
All right, guys. So we're here now. We just took the car. Rauf is driving this time, and now we're gonna go to Erewhon. So this is a really nice, trendy cafe. It's kind of expensive, like I saw there's some strawberries like at $20 or something. But yeah, we're going to Erewhon, get a smoothie, get some food, and it's gonna be great. Guys, we just arrived in Beverly Hills. We're here at Erewhon, and we're gonna grab a smoothie right now. Apparently they have like a Hailey Bieber smoothie or something. My sister told me, so we're gonna go check out the smoothies, and then we're gonna be back at the hotel. I just ordered the quote-unquote Hailey Bieber smoothie. Apparently it's a super good smoothie. My sister told me to come here. Yeah, so we got the smoothie here. All right, guys, we're here in Hollywood, and there's a snake here. What's up, Trevor? You good?
It's all good, brother. Enjoying the trip.
Trevor is coming from Calgary, and we've been in touch for a while. And yeah, now we're together in LA, so we're gonna be, approaching some chicks. We're gonna be hitting the cool spots in LA, and it's gonna be fun. Okay, so we're here with Chris. We're in LA, and this is apparently the most famous theater in the world, Chinese theater. This is where all the premieres happen and stuff, so yeah. All right, we're here, guys. We just finished a day game session here with Chris. Trevor is here as well. Now we're gonna go back to the hotel, and then we're gonna have dinner. All right, guys, we're here at Sir, which is a very famous restaurant in LA. It's actually owned by Lisa Vanderbilt, and there's a reality TV show actually going on right now. They're filming something. So I'm here, and yeah, we got some nice food. This is the steak. Trev took the steak too. So guys, how are you enjoying the boot camp so far? Pretty nice?
Good, yeah,
Yeah?
very good. Excellent.
10 out of 10.
Nice. We need to take more action today though. Like definitely. But yeah, let's see how today goes. All right, guys, we're here at the Dream Rooftop. There's a really nice pool party. You're good, Trevor? You're looking good, bro.
Doing my best as always, brother.
Yeah. Man, there's so many people to approach here. You're good, guys.
What up, boy?
Like the music.
Yeah, I enjoy it, yeah. It could be better.
Right, guys, we're here in this market with Elias and Rauf. We just woke up like around 9, and we're a bit cooked because we stayed up till 2 a.m. But yeah, it's pretty cool. There's a market near our hotel, as you can see here. There's a bunch of food and stands. How do you like LA so far?
I really like it, I'd say.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's
Cool.
very cool. I like the people. Like everyone's so open, I'd say.
What about you, Raul? LA is cool?
Honestly, I love it.
Would you live here?
Probably. I can't picture myself like living here for 3-5 years. I love the climate.
Street, this side right here.
People are nice, but it's a little bit expensive. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, with the sales taxes and everything. Yeah. All right, guys, we're here in Rodeo Drive. As you can see behind me, the Kong sign holding the Rodeo Drive heart. And this is one of the most famous streets in LA. So you have all the fashion stores and everything. It's incredible. And so yeah, now we're gonna be going out, you know, approaching, etc. And yeah, it's gonna be incredible.